Do you know how to create a field alias? Let's find out how. We'll start by selecting Settings, then Fields, and Field Aliases. Then select the New Field Alias button. On the Add New Field Alias screen, we'll start by either selecting or confirming the destination app for the alias. Then, we'll enter a name for the field alias. Next, we'll choose which source type, source, or host to apply the alias. Enter the existing field name on the left side of the equal sign and the new field alias on the right. Review the Overwrite Field Values option. We'd select this checkbox if we wanted Splunk to replace values in the existing field with values of the new field alias. For example, if user and username both exist, Splunk updates user with the values from username. If we leave it unchecked, both field values are kept. Finally, we'll select Save to create the new field alias. We'll confirm our field alias by running a search on the source type the alias was applied to.